Hey everyone, welcome to my new video. The video's topic you will see in my videos top. Now we're going to how can fix this problem. Okay, let's see. You can see there is a new app that I installed. That's name is Photo Video Maker. Let's go into it. Yes, let's tap the create video, and there is allow photo video maker to access photos, video, media and files on your device. I tap the allow button, then it say that's my problem, screen overlay detected. To change this permission setting, you first have to turn off the screen overlay from settings apps. Okay, let's see. Then I go to the I want to fix it, but there is no apps named it. What can I do now? Okay, let's see. At first I am see you a new and most easy way to pass from this problem. Okay, let's see. At first we go to the Play Store. Here's the Play Store. Then we search install button unlocker. Here is the install button unlocker. Okay, there is at first the install button unlocker is front of the page. Let's install it. Okay, it is waiting for download. Let's see. Wow, it is installed so fast. Good. Installing, and then we open it. Okay, open it. The app told us to install button unlocker turn on. Yes, we turn on. Then we go to the install button. Go to the install button unlocker here. Okay, here we can go. Install button unlocker. Then we turn on the install button unlocker. Okay, there is two options. One is cancel and one is on. We tap to the on. Okay, then what is the name of our app? Oh no, it is not here. Let's see. We turn on. Okay, then we go to the photo video maker, attention settings, create. Wow, we can easily do it. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your notifications for new videos. If you like our video, please press the like button, and if you dislike our video, the dislike button is also there. Okay, bye. See you later. Bye.